Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to add text in DaVinci Resolve. If you have edited a video using DaVinci Resolve and now you want to add a text, I'll show you how it can be done easily. So first you have to open the DaVinci Resolve and make sure you have gathered the video that you want to use. Now once you have all your content and you have edited everything, it's time to add the text. At the bottom you can see we have different options. You have to go with this one, which is called the edit. As you click onto it, you will get into the edit mode. Once you get into the edit section, you have to click on this option effect, and further at the bottom you will see these options will come up. Now you have to click on this icon and then you will see this option for the text, and there you will find all of different sort of text that you can add. These are different styles, designs, different fonts that you can use. So simply select the one that you like the most, and after that you have to drag and drop like this, and it will be added on your video. Further, you can edit like its duration or maybe where you want the video to be placed. Once you have done all that, the video or the text will be there. Now if you want to edit it, on the right side you will see the written text. Simply remove it and add whatever text you would like to add. Further, there are options like you can change the font of your text, you can make it bold, italic, you can make it size bigger, smaller, you can move to the right, left, down, up. Like we have different options through which you can edit your text, including color, shadings, and everything. So here you can design the text as per your preferences, whatever color options and design you would like to go with. Simply go with these options and after that it will appear on your screen. And that's how you will be able to add text using DaVinci Resolve. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.